Joana here. Welcome back to my channel and this 5-minute quick finisher for the legs, and we're using our resistance band. Okay, let's do this. The band goes around your ankles for the first one. My timer is on. We're starting in 10 seconds. We have 5 exercises, 1 minute each. The first one, we're gonna go for side walks, 4 steps each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Small, tiny steps, but try to keep your legs wider than your hips just to feel the resistance of the band. Halfway. Nice job. Now the band goes around your thighs. We have curtsy lunges. 30 seconds on each side. Just cross it back to a curtsy. Curtsy. Okay, maintain neutral spine, don't lean forward. Keep your toes forward. And switch. Okay, now we have side abductions. 30 seconds on each side. I'm using the extra heavy band because it's only 5 minutes and I want to get the maximum burn. And now switch. Keep going. Now we're doing squats with extra pulse. So squat and pulse and up, and squat and pulse and up. Squeeze your body at the top. Squeeze. Almost there, last one. Okay, quickly the band goes around your ankles. Again, we have kickbacks. Straight leg, find your balance. and switch. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Find your balance, kick back, kick back, kick back. And just like that, the 5 minutes finisher for the legs are done. Nice job, everyone. That was amazing. Well done. Make sure you check in with using hashtags JVFit and tag me in your photos so I can see your amazing progress, hard work and results. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now so I can continue bringing more free, fun challenges for you. If you're looking for an at-home workout program, make sure you visit my online fitness studio at joanav.fit. Join me there and the rest of the community, because to get the best results you need to follow a schedule, a structured program. Tons of variety: Pilates, bar, cardio, bands, CrossFit. You'll be amazed and I promise you'll stay consistent. See you there.